cannot have it in two different places together. Okay, nobody's jumping on me.
नीता लुल्ला के जिस तरह की जो स्टाइल है आज तक आई थिंक I've seen her style grow now in 4 years. It has become from the traditional to I think she's really got a vision or she keeps to the traditional. If you see even her stuff that I'm wearing today, it's very traditional. And I think somewhere I'm at heart a traditional person, so I love her stuff. तो उम्मीद है कि it'll be a modern look but still keeping in mind what the Indian palette is all about.
जैसे आपने कहा ये भी ड्रेस नीता ने ही डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है, क्या खासियत लगी आपको इस ड्रेस की जिसकी वजह से आपने ये नीता से लिया?
Well, I think नीता जी जिस तरह से आज मैंने सिर्फ I just told her कि मुझे एक white outfit चाहिए और white में जिस तरह से there are little baby flowers and then there's little bit of work. I always like to look very feminine, very pretty, and Neeta's stuff is always going to make you feel like a little girl at the end of the day. So that's what I really like about it.
तो क्या यही नीता की खासियत होती है, इसीलिए सारे सेलिब्रिटीज हमेशा उसकी ही
नीता की खासियत यह है कि नीता की साड़ीज बिल्कुल I mean जिस तरह से she's always restyling it, netting it. Now she started to shape the sarees to make your body look slimmer. She's always coming up with new and better things, and that's why we just love her. Yeah.